pretty. It's so cute. It's so pretty. It's so cute. You said what? I can't hear you over this Telfar bag. Oh, okay. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is ICEY, and if you didn't know that already, it probably means that you're new here, so you better subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can become a part of the ICEY gang. Yes. So I thought I'd hop on here today and do a Telfar bag unboxing. If you don't know what Telfar is a black-owned luxury brand. Yes, and there has been so much hype around Telfar recently, especially around 2019 to now. It is a brand that has been out for a while now, and guess what, it's a Brooklyn brand too, and you know what, your girl is from Brooklyn, so how can I not talk about a Brooklyn brand, you know, especially if it's a luxury brand. Like, girl, you don't see that many black owned luxury brands or hear about them. And like I said, there has been so much hype about it. People call it the Bushwick Birkin. I'm like, that is fire. Like, imagine being compared to Birkin. So I will probably compare it. It's like the Travis Scott's for sneakerheads, you know? Like, when it comes out, you probably won't get it. Like, you might go onto the website, put in all your information, 30 seconds later, there's no more bags left on the website. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that. They have other pieces as well. So they have clothing, accessories, but right now they're mostly known for their bags. And that's where all the hype is. So you might be wondering, like, how did you get the bag? How did you get the bag? Well, I'm about to tell you. So I actually ordered the bag in August. Right now, what is today? Today is January 2021. I ordered this in August 2020. Like, how many months is that? August, October, December, January. That's 6 months. So I actually got it last month in December, so 5 months around the end of December, and I ordered it in August, and I'm just now getting it. So their shipping is actually not as bad as I'm trying to describe it. It's really not that bad. It's just that because of the way that I ordered it. So I ordered it during their bag drop. So they noticed that a lot of people were buying their bags and reselling them for, you know, an outrageous amount of money, just like they do with sneakers. So they decided, you know, to flip that around and offer what they call bag drops. So for 24 hours, they open it up that you can get whatever bag that you want. But the catch is that you won't get the bag immediately. So like I said, I ordered it in August, and they specifically said that I probably wouldn't receive it until December, January. You know, I didn't want to believe it, but that is actually what happened. So sometime in December, they ended up shipping the bag. They sent me an email, and then guess what? The next morning, the bag was here. So they shipped it out, like, let's say they shipped it out yesterday, and I got the bag in the morning. I'm like, what did they like fly on a private jet? No, their shipping is amazing. It's just that so many people want the bag, so they actually have to make the bag. So it took a while for them to, you know, actually get that into production, especially since so many people want the bag. But yes, that's how I got it. I got it through the bag job, so there was no stress. I did not have to stress out. I did not have to, you know, go put my alarm running on the website. I just had to remind myself that day, go on the website, order the bag that you want, and then you're good, sis. You're good. You just gotta wait a few months. So that's how I got mine. I do know that they've been offering other bag drops as well. The one that I wanted, but I didn't pay too much attention to, was the UGG drop. Their UGG bag, to me, is so fire. Like, I don't know, it makes me think about the month of February, like Aspen, Colorado, like bird. Aspen, Colorado, like bird. Like, I don't know, it just looks so cute to me, and I'm kind of mad that I didn't, you know, go for it. But they did have a bag drop for the UGG bag, so I'm gonna include that here somewhere. They had a collaboration with them. Okay, so now I'm just gonna show you guys the bag. I swear, it's not what you think it is. It's not. It's not. Don't worry. We safe out here. We've been quarantining, okay? Okay, so this is how I got the bag. The box looks a little dingy, but whatever. On the side of the box, it says Telfar, but other than that, It's a black, I mean not black, I don't even know my colors. It's a brown rectangular box. It doesn't really make it obvious that, you know, it's a Telfar bag, unless you actually go ahead and read it. So there's nothing too special about the packaging. I've already taken out the bag. Yeah, I've already taken it out. I haven't actually opened it, but we're gonna open it together. And this is what it looks like. This is how it comes. So it comes in a Ziploc like bag. They put it in a cute dust bag. Okay, let's open it. And by the way, I got the mini bag. I'm about to show you guys what color. This is so pretty. No, for real, this is pretty. Let me show you guys. This is the dust bag. It's really cute. And then this is how it comes wrapped. Yes, I got the bubble gum pink bag. Yes, girl. And let's unwrap it. I kind of don't want to. This is too cute. Let me do it real quick. This is so pretty. Oh my god. Like, I love it. This is what it looks like. So it comes with the large strap, but then also the small strap. Let's see. Can you take it out? I don't even know. I don't think you can, but you can just tuck it inside. And this is what it looks like. I got the mini bag. It was $150. And you know mini bags are in right now. They are in. And this is what the inside looks like. Let me give you guys an up close look. I don't feel like this camera does the color of the bag any justice, honestly. This is so pretty. Comes with the little tags inside. And I know if you don't know what Telfar is, you've had to have seen this logo somewhere. This logo is everywhere. But this is, yeah, it's called the Small Shopper, bubblegum. And you guys know mini bags are in. They have the logo on the inside, which I showed you guys. What is this? I don't know what that is, but yeah, this is what it looks like. Ooh. But me, I'm the type of person, I would wear it without the large straps because I just feel like that's too extra. So let me see if I can tuck it in. The only thing I wish is that you could take it out. Like, is that even an option? I'm gonna have to figure that out. This is my first time getting a Telfar bag, so I don't know how this works, okay? I don't know. Come on, go inside. I'm probably destroying it and I just got it. Yeah, okay, let me not do that. Maybe that's not the right thing to do. But yeah, let me see what we can fit inside this bag. I already don't go around carrying a lot of stuff as it is. I hate, because I'm the type of person, if I have a big bag, I'm going to carry my whole life in it. Not to mention a small bag. I already carry my whole life in that. So imagine I had a huge one. So I just love the size of this. I love, love, love the color. It's so cute. It's so beautiful. But let me find some things to put inside of it, and then we're going to see how much we can fit. I'll be right back. I filled this bag up with some of the necessities that I usually, you know, go out with. So I'm just going to take each and every one out so you guys just know how much you can fit in such a tiny bag. Like, this fits everything I need, honestly. Like, look, this is everything that's in it. Everything that I need on a regular day. So let's take everything out so I can show you guys. First, we got my AirPods. Let's see. This is an iPhone 8 Plus. I was able to fit this in this bag. Some hand sanitizer. You know you gotta get some hand sanitizer on deck, but you know it's almost finished, so I need a refill real quick. And I also have my makeup in here. When I take my makeup out with me, I don't want to just throw it in and mess up the bag I have. And I also don't want to carry around a huge makeup bag, so I just stuff it in a Ziploc bag. So in here I have my highlighting brush, my concealer brush, mascara, concealer, and this contour palette. So there's a lot going on in here. So all of this I was able to fit in this tiny bag. So I was able to fit the phone, the makeup bag, the AirPods, and this hand sanitizer. So everything I can need. And you know, I could have included my keys as well, but I didn't think that far. But you can honestly include everything you need in this bag. Well, everything I need anyways. Yeah, so I just love this bag so much. So yeah, this is what it looks like. So cute. Let me hide this tag real quick. Color does not do it any justice. Like, look at it. It's actually cute like this as well. Usually when I have these kind of bags, I like to hold it crossbody. Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, this is cute. I love it.
Fire can't cool me up on tire.
Original Batman.
It's features. Me a run dire.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart, say she bounce pon the thing so. Whine it pon me thing so.
This is probably not a bag that I just take out anywhere and everywhere. Like, come on, it's a luxury handbag. Like, you don't want to take it anywhere. I don't know if I mentioned it before, but I got it for $150. And I do want it in other colors as well. Like, I want it in blue. Like I told you guys, I wanted the Uggs one. I don't know that they're ever going to restock that. But if they do, maybe if I'm in the mood for it and it's still winter outside. But this one, I'm really glad that I got this color. Yes. It is vegan leather. I didn't mention that. Anything that I might have forgot to say, I'll include it in the description box below. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave that in the comment section below too. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell. And as always, I do want to thank you guys for watching and stay until the end. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I got a Telfar bag. 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 Hey. And it's so pretty. It's so cute. It's so pretty. It's so cute. It's so pretty. It's so cute. Yeah, I cannot wait. I'm going to be sitting pretty like... You said what? I can't hear you over this Telfar bag. Oh, okay.
Features. Me a run dire.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine girl a coming on me heart.